everyone, today we're gonna unbox a wireless microphone. So we have instructions here, so you can follow instructions, steps, everything what you need to know and to use properly. So on the left side we have microphone itself. You can stick the microphone on your t-shirt. You have a power button there, should be a color there. Yeah, so can go easy on your clothes, no problem. Right, the color as you can see is green, which means it works properly. So there you can charge your wireless microphone. So let's put back, and here we have the receiver, which goes into your iPhone. Definitely you should have a light there just to show you it's working, and there should be the charging point. Yeah, so I think it's really useful and practical. Let's put back. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.